Analyzing, recording, and optimizing energy consumption is essential for any type of facility. Having accurate and certified equipment is key to achieving efficient energy management and legal billing of consumption. Hello everyone, my name is Arnau Henares, Product Manager at Circutor, and today I would like to introduce our new range of CEM meters, a reliable and versatile solution designed to make it easier to monitor, control and bill energy consumption in residential, commercial, industrial and service-oriented facilities. In this video, I will go over all the features of the CEM meter range in just 5 key points. But first of all, what are the CEM meters used for? CEM meters allow the measurement of active, reactive and apparent energies consumption in specific loads, lines or services. They are ideal for environments where it's necessary to accurately determine the distribution of consumption, whether rebilling, internal control and energy management actions. And to find equipment that best suits your needs, the range is made up of 2 main lines. First of all, CEM-D 200 are direct 3-phase meters, and CEM-D 300, indirect phase 3-phase meters compatible with closed core and open core transformers, /5 and /1 depending on the model. Regarding certifications, CEM meters include model with MID certification according to the EN 5470 or IAC 62052 standards, both for active and reactive energy, ensuring legal, accurate and safe measurement. Valid for rebilling within the European Union as well for use in international installations. Remember that in Europe, compliance with the MID Instrumentation Directive is required when measurements are needed for energy billing purposes. These certifications guarantees the accuracy and reliability of the energy data, allowing the equipment to be sealed to prevent any external tampering. It's essential in installations where an economic transaction is based on the measured data. Additionally, the new range of energy meters offers advanced functions for power grid analysis, tariff management, an integrated calendar, digital inputs and outputs, and communicating via Modbus RTU or MBus, making integration into SCADA or MBS systems easier. Thanks to these features, CEM meters are a key tool for different types of usage. For example, identifying high consumption areas and implementing improvements, recording other energy supplies such as water, gas, heat by collecting pulses through digital inputs, differentiating consumption between the power grid and auxiliary sources such as an auxiliary generator or an UPS, automating energy billing or invoice simulations, managing the installation from Power Studio SCADA or Line MBS. Additionally, the CEM range can be applied in multiple sectors such as buildings for consumption control by zones, floors or services in office, hospitals, universities and sports centers, services for cost allocation and control for each client in hotels, campgrounds, marinas and sports centers, industry for precise measurement per machine or production line, calculating of energy KPIs, emissions and operational costs, data centers for monitoring indicators and optimizing efficiency and critical consumption, and charging points for certified measurement, dynamic load management, or vehicle-to-grid solutions with legal traceability. In short, the CEM meter range from Circutor offers a complete solution to record, manage, optimize, and bill energy consumption in any type of environment, integrating the measurement, communication, and analysis into a single device.